Alright, so let's try this word problem over here. So there's 1,895 students and teachers in the district going by bus to the science fair. The district is renting buses that will fit 48 people each. But how many buses are needed? Alright, we read the word problem. But what are we doing? So the title is we're gonna estimate quotients. We're gonna estimate the quotient by saying that we're gonna estimate like the answer to a division problem. So we're gonna start here, and there's 1,895 students and the teachers in the district. The by bus going to the science fair. District we need 48 people in each bus. How much bus do I need? So I could say that. Alright. Since there's 1,895 kids and that only holds 48 people, we can do this problem here. But we're not just gonna do it. We're gonna estimate them. So the estimate quotients estimate around the parts. So here's about 2,000, right? Round them. We always have to round the parts of the division problem. And here, since it's 50, we divide 50 here. It's equals to x. Alright, so what we do here now is we're just going to try to divide this. So if you have dividable or compatible numbers, we can do this easily. Saying like 200 divided by 5 or something. Or 20 divided by 5, which is 4, right? So I already know that 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. How about all the rest of these zeros? Let's add let's add the rest of the zeros we didn't add. So, so basically, about they'll need about 400 buses. So they'll need about 400 buses, not 40 buses. 40 buses. I put the extra zero there for no reason. 40 buses. Sorry, extra zero there. I don't know why. Just spoke. Just woke up and so it's just 40 buses. Some mistakes I'm gonna do. I catch my mistakes most of the time. I'm sleeping, either I'm sleepy, either I'm. It's gonna happen sometimes, but I catch my mistake. It's always I never make a mistake, but it's sometimes. But I always catch it. So, estimate 9,283 divided by 380. We're gonna round. Let's say we're gonna round this to nearest 100. So we're round this to nearest 100. Then this rounded to 380. All right, so I already round this number to nearest 100. Oh, I already. That's just. We're gonna have to round both numbers. So we're gonna round both numbers here. This 9 that goes here since it's rounded up. Here, not this one. Actually, I'm gonna make it so compatible that this is rounded to 9,000 here. Oh, 9,000. And we're divided by 380. Instead of 380, we can say 400. If you want, we can perform long division over here. So if you want, we can perform long division. Oh, wait. Alright, so let's now try to do the problem over here. So you put 9,000 in here and 400. So 400 goes to 400 can't go to 9 because that's not enough hundreds. So basically, if you see it's like 400 here, it's probably 100% is probably going to fit in the hundreds column of this. So here's 100, so 900 here. 400 can fit in 100 about 2 times. Then we can multiply 800. We subtract 100. 400 can't fit into 100. 400 can't fit to that. So now we're gonna have to, instead of putting a zero, we're going to zero after this who's up here. No worries. So we're going to bring down the next digit. 255,000 about 2 times. And it subtract by 800. Now, this hits all the way down to 200. 200. 400 can't fit in 200. So remember, we can't fit the decimal. So 400 can fit into 2,000 about 5 times. Put the point. You put the 0.5, and then 400 times 500. 2,000 with 0. So as we can keep dividing until we get 0. So we can keep dividing until we get all the way to 0. So now since we already divided, that's gonna be about 22. This answer, even since we rounded absolute,
Mira, ahí cayó. Una servilleta. Y sé que es agua.
we can round and calculate it, which 8,000. And 8,000 is actually really close to 9,285. So 83, I mean. So because I said kind of rounded a lot, so still close though. We multiply this number here by this number, or this number divided by this number, we'll get somewhere around these numbers. Alright, so here I have a 3-step problem that you can do. There's a 3-step problem right here. See, a truck driver rode 5,845 miles in 19 days. Did he average more than 250 miles a day? How do you know? Sheila's company meals 3,580 advertising flyers in 25 days. Do the mailings average more than 200 flyers a day? And then this one here as well. So